Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make Indian-style fried eggs. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1 small onion, and 1 green chili. Make sure you also have 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, a pinch of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Finally, grab a pinch of red chili powder for that authentic flavor. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get those aromatics ready. Carefully chop your small onion into very fine pieces, and do the same with the green chili. If you prefer less spice, you can remove the chili seeds. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over a medium flame. Once the oil is shimmering, add the chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes a lovely light golden brown color. It's time to bring everything together. Add the chopped green chili, a pinch of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of red chili powder to the sautéed onions. Stir for about 30 seconds. Then, carefully crack 2 eggs directly into the pan, right on top of the spiced onion mixture. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes if you like a runny yolk, or longer for a firmer one. Your delicious Indian-style fried eggs are now ready. For an extra touch of freshness, you can garnish them with some finely chopped fresh cilantro leaves. Carefully slide the eggs onto a plate and serve them immediately while they are still warm. These flavorful eggs are perfect with a slice of toast, a warm roti, or even alongside a simple bowl of rice for a satisfying meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.